Oh hey, I was actually able to see you there now that I don't have hair in my face. How's it going, gamers? We got a workout on deck for the day. I'm kitted out because why not? And it's gonna be a hard one. And I'll get y'all up to speed in just a second. Alright, so the workout that we got on the docket for today, we got 3 by 5 minute fartlegs, right? So that's super cool. And then in addition to that, we have, so that's what, progressing down, starting maybe just under 6 minute pace, ending at like 5 minute pace. So it's a real progressive sort of effort. And then what we're gonna do is have 2 minute recoveries in between those each. So a nice, easy recovery effort. Sup, dude? And then I'm gonna keep running for a bit, about half a mile. Take a bit of a stretch break, and then there's a hard mile. First lap at 5K pace, and then, well, we're gonna Beyblade let her rip, baby. So nice to be back. Finals got moved online due to the coronavirus, of course, and then, so I'm back a week early. And then our spring break got pushed to be an extra week long, so I'm just home for like almost a month. So watch out for those workout videos coming your way. To all 6 of you who watch these. So yeah, it's gonna be a good time. Also, there's not snow and ice on the ground. Just finished the warm-up. Gonna take a minute, just stretch, breathe, take some deep breaths, and then we'll get this workout moving. Not gonna lie, my legs have been pretty dead. I ran a really fast long run on Sunday.
Nice.
I ran 2 miles yesterday.
Nice.
So basically, past couple days, so yeah, just gonna see how this one goes, just gonna see how it goes. Oh, and there's a number for gutter cleaning, just in case I get gutted. Alright, 3, 2, 1, and we're going. Boy. It's a great time out here in the PNW, I'll check back in just a minute. 2 minutes into the first 5 minute wrap. Just kind of found pace. It's feeling good. We're cruising. Just finished my first 5 minute wrap. Feeling good. We're gonna start cutting down a little bit beyond a tempo effort now when my rest is up. But, you'll see. I'll see. We'll all see. We'll see how it goes. Alright, and we're going again. I love running. That's the hill. Very dead. after 2. So we're gonna see how the third one goes. But hey, shout out to the city of Olympia for putting this new sidewalk in. It's like huge. First time riding on it. The last trip kept on filming so fast. I'm not feeling ready for this. Pain. It hurt a lot. Oh. I'm out here on the dirt track. In a lot of pain. We got some puddles on the back stretch. So you can see more up there. I'll have to go outside to get around. Coming up here. Honestly, oh geez, did I do something? No. Camera's still good. There's enough more puddles. Everything else is dry though. Not sure how this is gonna go. Oh, this could go really poorly. Or maybe I'll just absolutely rip it. We'll see. I get a little bit of some downtime. Left foot was a little sore, so I had to tighten the shoe. But I get a little bit of some downtime here between the fartleks and the mile. Out here, the cinders of the middle school track. All of the fans watching it off. Oh man, yeah, so I normally wouldn't be doing this kind of a workout right now. I was actually supposed to be racing a 5K a few hours ago, but coronavirus kind of canceled NCAA. I mean, anyone who hasn't been living under a rock knows about the coronavirus. I'm not going to talk a ton about it, but you all know what's up with that. But just means that I'm doing what I'm assuming is sort of like a race simulation of sorts. It's a ton of fun. I love running really hard, but it is really hard. So, this has been pretty brutal so far. So I'm expecting the mile to be no different. Battery's about to die, so we gotta get moving. I think it's still going. That was so hard. I'll check in later. So, this is post-production, Zach, coming at you live. Not live, because it's not a live stream, but the lighting's probably really weird, but we're gonna make do with what we got here. Workout went well. That really hurt. I maybe was gonna say something, but I don't remember what, so I'm just gonna do the good old the put your hand on the camera and then end the video by lol, got him wrecked.